Onion farmers in Occidental Mindoro are raising concerns over falling farm gate prices, calling on the government to tighten regulation. Our mobile journalist Daniel Dayao reports.
Local onion farmers in Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro are feeling the impact of falling onion prices, calling on the government to better regulate the entry of imported products in the country. This harvest season, onions sell for as much as 150 pesos per kilo in the public market. But farmers say middlemen purchase their harvest at a much lower price.
Napakalaki po ng pagkakaiba ng presyong natatanggap namin kumpara sa presyo sa palengke. Sa amin po kinukuha ng mga buyer ng 30 to 35 pesos per kilo. Pero pagdating po yan sa palengke ay binibenta nila ng 140 to 150 pesos. So napakalaking diferensya po nito. Malinaw na hindi patas ang sistema. Maliit ang kita ng magsasaka. Mas mataas ang presyo sa consumer.
According to farmers, imported onions entered the market at the same time as their harvest, pushing down farm gate prices.
Sobrang laki po ng epekto ng pagdating ng mga imported sa panahon ng anihan. Dahil mabilis po nitong inahatak pababa yung presyo ng ating mga sibuyas. Mas natakikikit po ng mga Pinoy yung mga pura kaysa sa mga kalidad na produkto ng mga pagsasabang Pilipino.
Farmers also emphasized how production costs can reach more than 200,000 pesos per hectare, covering seeds, labor, fertilizer, pesticides, and land rent. Their message to the government is clear.
Sana po kapag panahon ng anihan ay suportahan naman po natin yung mga local farmers. Sana po kapag pagdating ng January ay wala na po sana mga imported onions dahil nag-uumpisa na po kami mag-anihan. Sana magkaroon po tayo ng batas na nagbibigay ng proteksyon sa aming mga magsasaka na hindi samantalahin ng mga mapagsamantalang mga buyers at traders. Masutukan po sana natin ang suporta sa ating mga local farmers kaysa sa mga imported onions.
A similar case was also raised this month in Nueva Ecija. In an interview with the Philippine Star, Department of Agriculture's Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. said the numbers show that current stocks from imports are not overwhelming the market, but merely plugging a supply gap. That said, we are taking a closer look at why onion prices are falling at this time of the year, as claimed by farmers. He also noted that Bureau of Plant Industry projections suggest that even if remaining shipments arrive this month, imported red onion stocks may last only until March 6, just as the harvest is starting to peak. For now, farmers in Occidental Mindoro continue to wait for the government's feasible response. Kapatid Mobile Journal Daniel Dayao, we are One News.